Okay, this one is in the front yard, and it's supposed to have antiques and MCM stuff, and it started about 50 minutes ago, and it's today only.
Okay.
And I don't know if it's the person running the sale that shared it with us, but somebody shared it with us.
Oh yeah, somebody contacted us on Facebook. Yeah.
Messenger. Yeah.
And you think it was the guy running the sale? Said, hey, come to my sale.
Well, he didn't say, hey, come to my sale. He just sent a picture of the times and dates and address. So, yeah. I mean, I assume that's who it was.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Cool.
Yeah. So that was cool. If everybody in the city could just send me their address and the times. So it should be nearish this end.
Yeah, I think it's right there.
Yeah. Oh, it was me parking like right out front.
Mm-hmm.
This light would ever change to green. Looks like some interesting things.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So check it out.
Hi.
Hello.
I don't know, I recognize you.
Did you send us a message?
Yes.
Yeah, I don't know. I was like, oh, good. Oh.
Wednesday filming people?
Yes.
I love your channel.
Oh, thank you so
thanks.
much.
I literally get so much joy out of your channel.
Really?
Oh.
That is awesome.
Yes.
That makes me feel really good. I really appreciate that.
Yeah.
It's just us two. And it's
I thought you guys were actually like really like famous, and he was like, you know her, or like in China.
yeah.
What?
I assure you we're not famous. I work a regular job during the week. This is just a hobby.
Oh, wow.
I'm trying to turn it into my full-time job.
Yeah.
But 8 years filming and making vlogs, and we don't make enough yet. So thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
Yeah. Look
See
at that.
this? Yes.
I know.
Look at that thing.
Isn't that beautiful? Wow.
And a few of the really nice mid-century modern pieces go already.
Yeah.
So fast. We weren't even set up, and they were like,
Oh,
like,
yeah. Well, and it's hard because like people can come early.
yeah.
Especially when
in
you're
your yard. You can't
yeah.
just open your garage door when you're ready.
We have a small house. We would like to keep stuff, but
Yeah. I know.
We have a big house and it's right full, so
Yeah.
it doesn't matter how big your house is, trust me.
Yeah.
Like when we first moved there, I was like, oh, it's gonna take me a long time to fill it up. It didn't.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
it's a project.
Yeah.
A way to say it.
I see. It's
You have another crystal.
missing. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I see. Oh, yeah, there's the crystals.
Yep. Like, we're definitely not experts, right? We're just out doing our own thing, and
That's the fun of like.
We buy what we like.
videos.
Yeah.
It's like.
that guy totally missed something good there. Yeah.
Look at
Like,
these.
it's even like some of the stuff we had. I'm like, if you find the right person, it's worth something. Otherwise, it's just not.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that, eh?
1825.
Neat.
No, it's just comfortable here.
Yeah, those are nice books.
It's 30 for the set.
Yeah.
From Quebec.
That fireplace thing is so nice.
I know.
What would you pay for that?
I don't know. Look at that thing too. That's pretty. It's wood. I don't know what it is. We don't have room for that either. Oh, I need.
Oh,
And what are
and
these?
is that a camera case?
Oh, they.
I wonder what these are. And this I want.
Do you have it? Oh, it's behind you.
I like these.
Yeah.
Oh, and there's some.
It's not a camera case.
Oh, hey, there's one for each of us.
Yeah, perfect. His and hers.
For alcohol. Oh.
Yeah.
I love that. That's clever.
I thought it was like a little box camera or something in there.
No.
My mom, like years ago, gave me. They're called barnoculars. It looks like binoculars you wear them, but you unscrew and it's. I know. I was like, Mom, where'd you get that?
It's clever.
Yeah, it is. I think I still have them somewhere.
Oh yeah, look at
The
those
medical
books.
Those are nice.
Those are nice too. Are you getting those ones for 30?
Should I? I don't know.
It's
careful, we have some.
Oh, there's some. Oh, I see.
You can see the people.
Oh.
It's like pop-up medical book, which could be bad or good.
Yeah, we need to get that.
So, is that a set?
Yes, set.
Yeah. Oh yeah, those are cool. And what are these ones?
Oh, and there's a frame right there. I don't know if you like that.
No, it's new. Volume 1. Oh, it looks like 2, 3 maybe here. Oh, volume 1 and 2. This looks newer. Oh, this is volume 5 of something. 1913. Do you like these?
Yeah,
We'll make a pile.
sure.
If you guys need a bag, we have bags.
Perfect. We'll probably make a pile over by you or something.
You can use this bag if you want. It's a sturdy one.
Sure. Thank you.
So what's your best price on that sort of that fireplace piece? That's gorgeous.
The right people to buy it.
Make me an offer?
Like, would you go 100?
Yes.
120? Come on. One online is 1,000 right now.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I just don't have an idea.
Yeah.
I mean, I'd probably pay you 120.
Okay.
Do you do e-transfer?
Yeah.
'Cause I don't know that we brought 120 cash, but
Yeah, it's good.
I would never rip you off, especially on camera.
Yeah, it keeps us honest, right?
Oh, wow. Sorry.
Yeah. Awesome. Oh, this one is 30 for these ones. Okay. So I covered up the...
10,
For a velvet
25,
sofa for
and...
a really long time.
Yes.
And 30?
yeah, what? Oh, yeah. Yes.
So 120 and 55?
Yeah.
So 175?
Well, am I done? I don't think so.
Oh, you're not done yet.
I think I'll take your chandelier too.
Okay, thank you.
So now what are we up to? How much was that?
20.
Okay, so yeah, 195 now.
Yeah.
Are you done?
I think so.
I hope so.
Are you paying? I'll take one of everything.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just load it all in the truck.
Thank you.
Thank you
Here,
for sending that. I was like, oh, well, I wish everybody would just send us their garage sale deets.
It's just natural.
Yeah.
try and stick it in there.
Oh gosh. Yeah. I think it'll probably go in there. Thank you.
Okay.
I'm letting go. Okay.
Okay.
There we go. I'll just carry
This is
this.
definitely a project, but
Yeah.
it'll be fun.
We have long winters, so I have lots of time.
Thank you so much.
Well, you guys are super fun.
Awesome.
Yeah. If we ever have
Just want to check your phone, make sure that
Yes.
came through, but
I know where you are.
Yeah.
Sorry.
We're good for it. Don't worry.
Yeah.
And then we'll throw this in and we'll come back and grab
yeah,
that.
just grab that sucker and
Awesome.
thank you. Thanks for the invite. Really appreciate it. Yeah. Always love meeting people that watch us. So I just love it.
And you guys will be on. You'll be like, oh my God.
Sweet.
Oh yeah, it is a new one.
Yeah.
Fresh.
Just over a month.
Oh, okay.
Oh, didn't realize we locked it.
Yeah.
I'll go to the other side. Oh, that one bag is heavy.
I can take some here, or maybe you want to put that thing in on this side. Whoop. Throwing things on the ground now.
I think we're good. I don't know where we're gonna put that other piece though.
Yeah.
You might have to go in the back.
No, I think I can go here.
Okay. Thank you so
Thank
much. We're gonna
you.
love this thing. It's gonna live in our house.
It's
We'll
so pretty.
we'll include photos in the vlog of where we put it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's got some weight. Thanks again, you guys.
Take care.
Yes.
Can you get it in there? Or you want me to? I suppose.
Well,
There.
if you think you can.
I think you can just do it. Do you need to move anything? Do I need to move your camera bag?
Yeah.
There you go. Got it?
That thing is so heavy.
Yeah.
It's so nice.
I know. I'm surprised you.
Got it for $125.
They're expensive.
Yeah, oh yeah, he said there's online for over 1,000. I was like, oh, really? I have no idea.
I don't know.
That's why I think 125 is probably a decent deal.
Yeah. Okay.
All right.
Would you like to sign a picture and give it to them?
Sure.
You got pens? You got the right pens?
No.
That's it, eh?
Yeah, here, put this back down.
Oh, I threw your pen in there.
No, I need to have 3 pens in here. I don't know if you want, but we signed a couple of things for you guys.
That's so cool. Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh my god, I love this. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys.
Have a great day. This is the one who seems so excited.
Oh yeah, they're super nice.
So nice, yeah. Okay.
He said super fans.
Yeah, I know. That's why I was like,
Yeah.
we should sign.
Yeah,
and they're in here.
I'm glad you thought of that because it didn't even cross my mind.
Okay. Yeah, that was a good one.
Yeah. Okay, you ready?
Yep. That's so nice.
though is if we bring something in, we take something out.
We do have to do that.
Yeah.
We try.
Or cram it in harder.
Yeah. Can we stack these dressers on top of each other?
Yeah.